In this video, we will show how to calculate descriptive statistics with Pandas in Python. So Pandas data frame is the most widely used data structure in Python for statistics. It has the shape like Excel table. So here we use the function df representing a data frame, and price is for the variable or column, then use .describe function. So the summary statistics of the price column will be shown. So next we will show several examples in Python Spider. So first we import modules for the Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Then we create a data frame. So the data frame for family has 4 columns: family member with the character information, and age, income, cost, or a numeric. So next, can use frame, income, describe to calculate the descriptive statistics for the income variable. So by default, you can see observations, count, and the mean value, standard deviation, minimum value, and a 25% quantile, which means 24% of observations for this variable under this value, and similarly for 50% quantile or the median value, and 75% or say the third quantile value, and the maximum value. So if we want to calculate all the variables of this data frame, the descriptive statistics, can use frame, this data frame dot describe, and include all. We'll see how it is going. So because family member is a character variable, so the count unique is 8 values, and the top Wilson, frequency 1. So for the numeric descriptive statistic, for this variable will not a number, should NaN. And on the contrary, for the 3 columns, age, income, cost, they are all numeric variables. So the mean, standard deviation, and the quantile minimum maximum values will be shown, and the count number. But for the unique top and the frequency will be shown as not a number. You can also calculate the specific descriptive statistic one by one. For example, we can calculate the count of income, so using count function of the income variable. So 8 observations. I can also calculate the mean value using the mean function of frame income. So the mean value, and similarly you can calculate the maximum value using max function, and you can also calculate the standard deviation of income column using .std function of frame income. Thanks for watching.